Okay, this is getting frustrating. Since 9 in the morning, my iPhone, supposedly the most premium phone in the world, is stuck on this. And and I never thought that something like this could happen to an Apple device, but it did. And then I checked online, and it turns out that a lot of other people have the same issue, where once in a while your iPhone gets stuck on this Apple logo, and it won't move past that. Not at all. No matter what you do, it's going to stay there. So yeah, that's what today's video is about. If your iPhone ever gets stuck in such a situation, then there are a couple of things you can do to try and fix it. So if your phone gets stuck, first thing you want to do is you press the up button over here and then the down button here, and then you press and hold this button. Okay, so you have to do it in a sequence, and this is how you do it: up, down, and then you hold the power button and you keep it pressed, and that should restart your phone. In some cases, doing that will fix whatever error you're getting. So then the next thing you can do is you put your phone in a mode where it connects with iTunes. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to press the down button, and then we'll keep this one pressed, and that should put it into a reboot mode where it will connect with iTunes even if it's not starting. So once you have your iPhone connected to iTunes, even if it's not booting up, you have two options. One is to update and the other is to restore. So restore should be your last option, because if you click restore, it will erase everything from your phone and completely restore it, making it like a brand new phone. Ideally this should work, and if your iPhone ever gets stuck in this sort of boot loop, then you can actually update the software, and that should pretty much fix the phone without losing any data or anything. Unfortunately, in my case, what's been happening is that I've been trying to download the latest software. So every time it goes from 0 to 3 gigabytes, 3 GB, but then it crashes, right? It's so annoying, and I've been locked out of everything from my phone since the last 27 hours, and it's crazy. Plus, it could not have happened at a worse time, because yesterday we were invited by Sony Middle East for the launch of the new Bravia 2020, and I had planned to share all of that with you guys with live stories on my Instagram and even on YouTube as well. And sadly, I couldn't do any of that because the iPhone was completely bricked. I did vlog about it in detail, and I will be posting another vlog on my YouTube channel covering that full event. It was at the Walk Cinema Drive-In, so it was amazing. So I'm going to call the Apple store now and book an appointment, and let's take the iPhone there. Alright guys, made it to the mall. Now let's go to the Apple store and see if the geniuses over there can fix the iPhone or not. Let's see. I'll be honest guys, the Mall of Emirates looks beautiful in the daytime. Like, if you're visiting here, you have to come here in the daytime as well. It is so beautiful. Check this out guys. beautiful store. So there was no other option. I had to get the phone restored. So I'll tell you when I get home why, but they had to format it. So for now I've lost all my phone, and this is like a new phone, but I have a backup on iCloud. So when I go home, I'll back that up, and hopefully I should get all my data back. Finally home, guys, and as you can see, it's brand new. It's almost as if I just unboxed it, although it's not. I've been using this for almost a year. The geniuses at Apple, all of the Emirates, were actually able to fix this. But what I was trying, and what they were also trying initially, was to save the phone and just let it start from where we left off. But that wasn't possible, and I'll tell you why. It is what it is, right? So the reason why my phone got stuck at that Apple logo, and this is very important if you have an Apple device, take note, is because my memory was critically low, and then I restarted my phone. So because the memory was completely low and I restarted my phone, the device didn't have enough memory to sort of restart itself, and which is why it kept getting stuck at the Apple logo. So if you have an Apple device and if you're ever running critically low on its internal memory, then do not restart your device, and the first thing you should do is probably try and clear up a good amount of storage on your phone so that you don't end up in this situation. Alright, so that's it for today, and the last 24 hours have been a bit frustrating because I was completely cut off from the digital world, and I realized I'm quite dependent on my phone. So I'm going to set this up, and if you're an iPhone user, let me know if you've ever encountered any such problem with your device, because this was the first for me. I've never had any problems with my Apple phones. And save this video, because in case you ever do need to reset your phone, or if you get stuck on the Apple logo or face any problem like that, then you can refer to this video and use the steps that I've given in there to fix that issue, to try and fix that issue yourself. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and stay tuned for more. I will see you again with another video. Take very good care of yourself. Till then, bye bye.